Let's play Suzuki Long, Long Ago from Book 2, number 1. To start this piece, we're going to make sure we check our open C string and find our fourth finger C on the G string. Get the hand open and ready to play that first finger pretty far back and low, and try to observe all of these holds. We're going to hold down our 4 open ones. Practice that again, and then we'll play the whole song. Here we go with the whole song, nice and slow. Lift the bow, fourth finger. Four, hold 1, hold. Okay, we'll do the variation in another video. Right now we just need to practice that a bunch, get our hand out of the cello, make some room and some air in the hand. If you can't play 4, open 1, then I don't think you're getting this technique that I'm trying to teach you. Keep that loop going. 4, lift that fourth finger up and bring the first finger down without lifting these fingers. That's a thing to master and really get down. It's worth this much practice. We're going to do 5 more. 1, 2, 3. Notice how my thumb 4 is not actually using, I'm not using the thumb. Are you going on? We hold the fourth finger down here, make a tunnel to the open A. Let's practice that one. G, A, G, A. Going on. Now here is tough to teach. I don't know what to tell you. Just don't take your hand off the cello. You can let it hover. For sometimes I tell students to touch a string lower, just to keep your hand open and in position so you're not just in the air like not knowing what to do with your hand. You can put your second finger on the G string right now if you want to. Since it's the finger you're about to play, you prepare it on the G string and move it over. And right now, as soon as I play that open D, I'm ready with the fourth finger. Going on, measure 5. Hold. Just like the beginning. You need to master that. Just like the beginning. And I bring my fourth finger to the G string right now, actually, and play 1, open, 4. Practice that last 2 measures of line 2. On this open D, my left hand goes and stores itself, floats on the G string. First finger only comes over to the D string, just like our exercises. Try that again. Left hand goes to the G string, or at least 2, 3, and 4 do. This first finger floats. 5 these. 1. Left hand to the G string. 2, 2, 3, 4. that time. Sorry. Left hand to the G string. 3, 2. Let's do it again. 2 more. Left hand to the G string. One more time. Line 3 is the only thing different, and it's not very hard. And right now you can store your hand on the A string since you're not playing it. I would say put your 4th finger, 2, 3, and 4 to the A string. And just like the beginning. Alright, that's long, long ago. Practice hard, and look at that next video I'm going to make on the variation. Okay, bye.